Hello, my little adventurers. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to meet a real unicorn? Well, settle in, because today we're joining Sparkle, the bravest unicorn in the Enchanted Meadows, on an extraordinary journey. Sparkle had a shimmering silver coat, a mane that sparkled like stars, and a golden horn that glowed in the moonlight. But what made Sparkle truly special wasn't her magical appearance. It was her kind heart and her unshakable belief in helping others. One sunny morning, Sparkle heard the whispers of the wind spirit. It rustled the leaves and softly spoke. The rainbow crown has been lost. Without it, the colors of our world will fade. Only a heart full of kindness and courage can restore it. Sparkle's heart leaped. "I will find the rainbow crown and bring back the colors," she declared. As Sparkle galloped across the Enchanted Meadows, she met her first challenge. A mischievous squirrel named Nutters blocked her path. "To pass, you must answer my riddle," Nutters chattered. "What has keys but can't open locks?" Sparkle paused, her golden horn twinkling as she thought. "A piano," she exclaimed. Nutters clapped his tiny paws. "Correct. You may pass, Sparkle. And take this glowing acorn. It may help you later." Sparkle thanked Nutters and tucked the acorn under her wing. At the Mystic Lake, Sparkle faced her next test. The lake shimmered like a giant mirror, but the bridge across was missing. A wise old turtle named Shellbert emerged from the water. "If you want to cross, you must share something precious," Shellbert said. Sparkle thought about the glowing acorn Nutters had given her. It was a gift, but she realized helping the world was more important. She placed the acorn before Shellbert. The turtle smiled. "Kindness always opens the way," he said, and with a wave of his flipper, a bridge of light appeared. Sparkle soared into the sky, reaching the cloud castle. Inside, she found the rainbow crown, but it was guarded by a stormy dragon named Thunderclap. Thunderclap growled, "Why do you seek the crown?" Sparkle took a deep breath. "I don't want it for myself. The colors of our world are fading, and I want to bring them back for everyone." Thunderclap's eyes softened. "No one has ever thought of others before asking for the crown. You've proven your heart is pure." He handed Sparkle the rainbow crown, and the castle filled with brilliant light. With the crown in place, the colors of the world returned, brighter and more beautiful than ever. Sparkle returned to the Enchanted Meadows, where her friends cheered and thanked her. "Remember," Sparkle said, "kindness and courage can bring light to even the darkest places." And with that, Sparkle trotted off, ready for her next adventure. Kindness and courage are the greatest treasures of all. By thinking of others and being brave, we can overcome any challenge.